Text is a very important part of this course, and we will be creating text using our Type tool. You can access your Type tool either by coming over here to your toolbox and clicking on it, or by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Now if you come back here to the workspace, click and drag out a text box, then release your mouse. You can see this blinking object here, and it's too small, and that means our font size is too small. If we come over here and we look at the font size, you will see it is 12 points. And in relevance to the size of this document, which is 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, that is too small to be seen. So let's go ahead, click, drag, and highlight this font size, change it to maybe 50 points, and then press enter on the keyboard. As you can see, this blinking object got bigger. Let's go ahead and type in any text so we can demonstrate. This is text. Now to edit our text, whether it is color or font family or whatever, we're going to have it selected. You can edit the text by clicking and dragging and just highlighting the text, and then you can change its color or anything else. But the easier way to do this is to just, after you create your text box, go ahead and press on the selection tool. And you're basically selecting this whole text. And you can see the bounding box. You can also come over here, if you press over here and try to drag it and relocate this text box. Now if we look up here, we try to change the color of the text, which is the fill color. As you can see, it is selected and I am changing the color. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit for the stroke part. As you can see, by default, this text has no stroke. But if I go ahead and maybe give it a black stroke, increase it maybe to 4 points, it's too much. 3 points is good. You can see I have now give it a stroke. Now let's go ahead and come over here to the font family. As you can see, the font family for this text is Myriad Pro. And if you click on this arrow here, this drop down menu shows up and you can pick of many texts. Later on, we're going to learn how we can download new fonts from the internet. But for now, let's just focus here on the font family. Next to the box of the font family, you will see this box. It says font style. Now, it's set to regular. Let's go ahead and try to change it so we can know what font style means. If you click on this arrow, you will see this menu. And as you can see, Myriad Pro font family has a lot of styles. So if you try to test those out, maybe bold condensed, you can see the style has changed, but it's the same font family. Semi-bold, italic, and bold. It has a lot of styles you can test.